Hey yo, it's Gummy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto from your Binance account to your Swissborg account in a simple and fast way. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe, it really helps the channel. I'm going to use the Binance mobile app, but it's the same if you're using Binance on your computer. First step is to go to your wallet on Binance. It's the option at the bottom right on mobile. Then you'll see all the cryptocurrencies available in your wallet. You'll need to select the one you want to send to Swissborg. For example, I'm going to send some Solana. I tap on it and then you'll see the withdraw option appear at the bottom. I tap on withdraw because we want to take crypto out of Binance to send it to Swissborg. Next, I tap on send via crypto network and then we'll get the page to send our Solana. As you can see at the top, you'll need an address to send your crypto to. In this example, Solana. You can get this address from your Swissborg account. You need to go to your Swissborg app like this. By the way, if you haven't signed up for Swissborg yet, I also have a tutorial on my channel to show you how to do it. And you can use my affiliate link to open your Swissborg account, which will let you get a welcome bonus of up to 100 euros credited directly to your Swissborg account. So feel free to use my link, it's in the first comment below the video. Once you're on your Swissborg account, you'll need to click on the deposit option. Next, you'll have to choose crypto transfer. Then you need to specify which cryptocurrency you want to deposit into your Swissborg account. For example, it's Solana. So I click on Solana and then you'll be given the address for your Swissborg account for that specific cryptocurrency. Be careful to select the correct network to use when transferring your crypto to Swissborg. In this case, you can see that it says the Solana network. I copy the address using the icon with the two green squares, and then I go back to my Binance account where I can finally paste the address of my Swissborg account for Solana. Next, the network is usually automatically detected by Binance, but if you wanted to send it through another network, you can always select a different one. Here is the Solana network, so we're good. Be careful, because if you send your crypto through the wrong network, you could potentially lose it. But normally you do get a warning message on Binance and on Swissborg to make sure you pay attention. Next, you enter the amount you want to send to your Swissborg account. In my case, I'm entering the maximum amount, and then as you can see at the bottom, you have the withdrawal option in yellow. So all you have to do is click on it to confirm the transaction, and then your crypto will be successfully sent to your Swissborg account. I can't do it myself because I haven't reached the minimum required to make a withdrawal. You can see that I need 0.3 Solana to send them. It won't go through if it's below that amount. There are different minimum thresholds depending on the cryptocurrency. You still need to send at least a small minimum amount, but once you have that amount, you can send it without any problem. Then once it's sent, you can go back to your Swissborg account to check that you've received your cryptocurrencies. It usually takes a few minutes or sometimes even hours, depending on the type of cryptocurrency and how busy the network is. If a lot of people are trying to send crypto at the same time on the same network, it can sometimes slow things down a bit, so don't worry. And once you've received your crypto, you'll get a notification from the Swissborg app and you'll be able to see your crypto balance in the Swissborg app. There you go. Now you know how to do it. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments.